Hello guys, so today I'm replacing the Mickey Mouse mirrors on my Rebel, and that's what I got to install. From the brand Highside with the Daytona adapters. And this is the original from the Rebel, and this is the Daytona with the adapter. Now I'm not sure if I will put them down or up. Yeah, from this side look quite bad for real. I hope I don't regret these mirrors because it cannot be found. Okay, you can see the quality is pretty good. This is the brand Highside, you can see somewhere around here. Oh, here, Highside. And we have new mirrors. Ignore this is for my 360 camera. That's why it's here. It's nothing part of the mirrors, neither anything to hide the hole. It's just for my 360 camera.